Welcome back as we next discuss the important topic of inspection, which we call key point inspection. Prior to using any portable equipment, it makes good safety sense to give the machine a visual check over, and with an angle grinder, the need is even greater. Before plugging in, check the following items. First, the abrasive wheel, which must be in good condition. Worn out, chipped or clogged wheels must not be used. Ensure that the wheel is secure. We shall discuss this aspect later when we demonstrate wheel mounting. Next, ensure that the wheel guard is secure and not bent or damaged. Check that the side support handle is fully screwed in and secure. Next, check the power cord. Check for any damage to the cord insulation and also check that it is well secured at the machine entry position. Further ensure that the power plug is not in any way damaged or the wiring insecure. Next, if all is in order, test the operation of the machine. Make sure that you hold the machine firmly and away from your body. Then test the switch, making sure that it switches on and off. If all key point checks are in order, then the machine is safe to use. Never, ever use a machine that is faulty. Return it to your maintenance shop for immediate repairs or notify your supervisor. We urge you now to perform a key point inspection on your angle grinder under the supervision of your instructor or course controller.